Welcome back to my channel, TerrellTailored. Listen, we got some great videos coming along. This one is a special one. It's sponsored by Puriya, the mother of all creams. That's right, the mother of all creams. Listen, they sponsored this video so we can do a skincare routine. I'm excited about this. You're gonna want to watch this all the way through. Stay tuned, keep it locked. Let's get into it. We need to see 1 million likes on this video. TerrellTailored, wait. Listen, if you're rocking with me in this video, drop the light bulb emoji in the comment section because we about to spread some light on some skincare. Let's get into it. Are you noticing anything different about my skin? Yes, it's glowing. It's moisturized. It looks good. My skin looks good. I'm really feeling it right now. And so, all thanks to Puriya, the mother of all creams. That's right. We're going to get into my actual skincare regimen. What I do in the morning. How do I wake up and get my skincare going? Is there a skincare routine? Can you have a skincare routine? I don't see many guys on YouTube talking about skincare. So today we're going to be talking about skincare. We're going to switch it up a little bit. Is that okay with you, TerrellTailored? Hope that's okay with you. We're going to switch it up. Thanks to Puriya for sponsoring this video and sending me the mother of all creams. Let's get into it. Now, before we talk about the mother of all creams, make sure you check the description box for all of the links and the information concerning this product in the description box. So I've been using this all week. This really, the texture really feels, it's a light creamy texture. It feels so light, you can't really feel like it's on your face. It's very light. It smells good and it feels great. It's really soft, it's really creamy. That's what I feel. That's what it feels like in the texture as well. It feels soft, it feels creamy, it smells good, it's lightweight. When you put it on your face, it actually has a coolness to it on my face. I have been able to see some results in these actually couple of days. That varies for everybody else. It's different for every single person, the results. Some might see it 24 hours. It might take a week for some, but for me, it was 2 days. I've seen a difference of softness as far as the feel of my skin. It's a lot softer. My face right now. As far as the application process is very easy, it's very simple. Make sure you wash your face first. So whatever your wash day routine is. So shout out to Puriya. Make sure you visit Puriya's YouTube channel. The link is under the description box. They have a lot of skincare tips and holistic health advice. They even have a naturopathic doctor who actually answers questions. So if you're interested in this product and want to try it, just click the link in the description box. These products are also made in the USA from domestically and globally sourced ingredients and components as well. So I wipe my face with cold water in its entirely, and then I make sure it's dried as well. I don't use any soap. I don't use soap far as that. I just really use a really towel that's wet in cold water. I just get a little quarter size, probably not that, maybe a dime, as well as a nickel size, and then I rub it in my hands. You see it almost disappear. Rub it in my hands and just apply it straight to my face. I go into circular motion. Whenever I use this, I go into circular motion. So I try to get every single area in my face in a circular motion. That way I apply it softly. The application process for me is very easy. Now, you can use this for your neck and the back of your neck. I just really work my way all the way through. This actually combats itchy skin, cracked skin, skin redness, and swelling all in one as well. Now, it's advanced plant-rich formulated as well. And this is actually formulated without the use of parabens. Listen, this stuff is going to make your face feel really great. It's something that I'm going to work into my routine. I highly recommend it. I never thought I would really use something like this, and it worked out really well. I always wanted to try a cream that's a little bit more creamier and soft and make my face feel moisture and not greasy. This does not make my face feel greasy, and that's one of the things that I look for in a skincare product, is that the texture and the feel is non-greasy. It makes my face feel smooth. Leaves a cooling feeling on my face, and particularly Alright, TerrellTailored, these are the results. So again, I've been using this all week. I have worked this into my skincare routine. This is definitely going to be in my skincare routine because it's going to be used every single day. Again, check the description box for all of the information about this video. Alright, TerrellTailored, so I hope this video was able to assist you in your skincare journey. Whether you're looking to get clearer skin or redness reduced, make sure you check the description box for all of these videos and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at TerrellTailored. And TerrellTailored, remember, it's never too late to tailor your life to want to see it. My name is TerrellTailored. Okay, with you, that's time.